What's up guys? Welcome to another track episode on our YouTube channel. Today we are in Batangas Racing Circuit to test our newly built race car. We have for today a 2015 STI with 530 wheel horsepower using our MEC 500 Plus built engine and our G Series turbo kit. You're slowing down there, huh?
Yes.
I'm not confident. Okay guys, so we didn't have a lot of time to practice kasi we had a bit of trouble kanina with small parts that we couldn't source out. So the only time he got a chance to drive was around 4 p.m. na. So he did 3 to 4 fast laps and we already demolished our old record. So 146 now from 149. I think we can do a bit more tomorrow. We'll see. Just tell him about the car. I didn't drive it.
I did 3 fast laps, right? And each lap I was doing a lot of improvement because I wasn't used to the car yet.
Yep.
I'm still.
On the video, you were braking early.
Yes, I'm braking way too early because the new brakes are so much better. But I think tomorrow, getting used to the car, I think we can go faster than we did today.
Yeah, that's the plan. So I'll show you what's the key points to take note of the car. So this is a fully built MEC 500 Plus engine. So it's a long block built by us. So stock block with forged internals and head parts with a G30 turbo carrot, and the suspension we're using now is all-ins, and then we got AP Racing brakes. So this is a game changer. They were night and day compared to the endless ones that I had before. And we have ZE40 18 by 9.5 with the CRS Nankang tires. These tires are excellent. So 146.8 We'll see what we can improve on tomorrow. Now we can rest early. 6. Locally made STI 530 wheel horsepower on pump gas blaze with bustane. So we're siguro 33 PSI. So we're pushing 33 PSI on the stock block that we built locally and abused here. So our shit works.